Interact with an important
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo ubuciko namasiko uzizi kodwa uthi zonke izinyathelo ezithathwa ngaphandle kokubandakanya abaholi bezomdabu kufana nento engekho.
any step that we undertake as government without traditional leaders and their communities is bound to fail. Unity is a cornerstone which the governing party was founded upon. Therefore, to us, unity is sacrosanct.
Umengameli wezwe yena uphawulile ngodaba lokubulawa kwabaholi bendabuko.
The killing of traditional leaders has gone on for far too long and cannot, as you correctly say, be tolerated any longer.
Umengameli uphinde waveza ukuthi kuyakhathaza ukushona kwabakhwetha wathi abaholi bendabuko kufanele bangenelele.
A key role in this whole process because this is a cultural matter and you are the repository of culture and traditional practices. So I don't think we should have a misalignment on this matter. We do want to see participation of our traditional leaders in this regard.
Uphinde wabonga loyo beyiphini likaMengameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza ngokubamba ilikhulu iqhaza ezintweni ezithinta indabuko.